Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, March 15 to 17, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. To start the week, let's check out our latest graph set, beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. Still same weather situation since we left you early Sunday morning. We have here a shallow low pressure area still moving very slowly over the northern part of Palawan, and it's likely to weaken further as it moves towards the West Philippine Sea. The embedded surface trough will continue to bring isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across Mimaropa, Bicol region, Western Visayas, Calabar zone, Central Luzon including Metro Manila, while over the areas of northern and extreme northern Luzon, we have the easterly surface wind flow also affecting Batanes and Babuang Cabo Islands. So expect also some thunderstorms and showers passing over these areas for the next 24 to 48 hours. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, sunny to cloudy with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in areas like Mindanao and portions of the Visayas. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. There's nothing else spotted over the Pacific, just the surface trough. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the cloudiness of the surface trough and the dissipating LPA, the shallow one, starting to dissipate as well. Now let's take a look at our windy.com zoom in satellite animation for this evening. This is the 6-hour satellite loop, and as you can see, you can observe very small thunderstorm activity across much of the Philippine Islands, particularly here along the eastern sections of Luzon and northern portions of the Bicol region, Palawan, because of the shallow LPA, particularly over the northern portions, and also some localized thunderstorms over northern Mindanao and portions of Visayas as well. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation from windy.com, this is from the ECMWF model for the next 3 days, beginning today, Monday until Wednesday. The rainfall event will shift towards the north, just affecting the eastern sections and central sections of northern Luzon because of the prevailing easterly surface wind flow, which is expected to linger over these areas for the next 3 days. So also over the southern portions of Quezon, smaller areas of central Luzon, eastern Visayas, and patchy areas of Mindanao will have also isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, and some showers will also be expected in some portions of the Bicol region. So far, that's the latest, and as we look at our windy.com pressure, wind, and rain forecast for the next 3 days, and for tomorrow morning, you could see some good weather in most parts of the country, except for the northern portions of Luzon, where some cloudiness and isolated rain showers and thunderstorms due to the easterly surface wind flow is to be expected, as well into the afternoon of Tuesday. So most parts of the country will have some isolated showers or thunderstorms, and it will be more frequent over the northern portions of Luzon, particularly over the Cordillera Mountains and also over Mindanao. And on Wednesday in the morning, still good weather, but in the afternoon there could be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the central and northern parts of Luzon, also portions of southern Luzon, smaller areas of the Visayas, as well as eastern Mindanao, southern Mindanao, and the Zamboanga Peninsula. So there could be some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. So far, it's all clear across the Western Pacific. The winds will somewhat be variable in most parts of the country, except for the eastern sections of northern Luzon, because of the easterly surface wind flow. And this rainfall, again, is due to the prevailing La Nina phenomenon. That's why even in this March, we are experiencing some localized rain showers and thunderstorms brought about by this climate condition, which is La Nina. And it is expected to weaken beginning next month, April, but the effects will push through until the start of the rainy season. So there you go, that's the latest for today, and we'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.